channel, Connie25. Today I have an unboxing with dimond. This is a square kit. This indicates square, and this is Lovebird Launch by Richard Lorenz. This is 50 by 101 long, so this is one of the newest release. He had this last week, and yeah, I have decided not to buy quite much this year because I passed 300 kits. So now with this one and the other one I bought, it's 300. So I am not gonna buy too much painting going forward. And I also want to thank all the new subscribers. Thank you so much to for you to subscribe on my channel. But yeah, let's get into this one. I love Christopher Lorenz, so not Richard Lorenz. Christopher is Lorenz. Mix them up a little bit. So yeah, I thought this was kind of a cute one, not the same as the other, so this one was kind of cool. I did buy this with all of my points that I have saved up, so I didn't pay too much for the pictures. Don't wanna the toolkit. I never opened that one. Here we got the lovely picture. I love it. It's kind of small this way, long, so that's very nice. And they were very cute couple. So I just had to have them. Since there was two I liked, it wasn't a problem. Let's see. Okay, so this one starts from the bottom. Don't like that. So I'm gonna change that. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, I have this from the see. Oh, this one is big. Wrong way. I don't know why I'm not up to that. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of crinkly on the end, but yeah, if they do that, we're just gonna roll it the opposite way, and it will lay that for me. So give me just a second. And voila. If you're in a hurry, just do that. So yeah. Oh, it's so long. Let's see. So we have some beautiful flower. I think that's a cup or something. I don't know why this one is so bent. Okay. Let's see, we have 71 colors, so plenty of colors. We have 1, 2, 3 diamond dust. Oh, we got a new symbol. Love that one. And we got 2 new symbols. Are there more? Let's see. Yeah, that's one new symbol I haven't seen before. So yeah, very nice. 3 new symbol that I don't have seen before. Big bag of colors. One of them are yellow, one is brown, and one is like greenish. So I can see all the fairy dust. That one is crazy yellow. That's nice. Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna look for how many AB? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AB as well. Very, very nice. We're gonna look for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a dot. So this one white spot is gonna be one of the AB. We get also AB down here. So every white spot is AB, and we have some 1 in the flowers around all the flowers. Here we have like a fly. Is there a 2 in here? Yeah, some of the 2 is also in here, some 4. And do we have number 3? Where is number 3? No number 3 yet. We have some fairy dust that's going here, and in here is the yellow one, so we have to look out for the yellow, but we have some fairy dust up here, and the other one is fairy dust around here. Okay, so we go further down. This is a cool picture. I really like this one. We have plenty of fairy dust in here. We have some fairy dust outside here. The white spots, of course, AB. Some 4 here, so AB. AB in here, mixed with the fairy dust. Some fairy dust out here. Let's go further down. Wow, this one is cool. So here it says Lovebirds Lounge, and here is like a piano, and they are up here. So this have to be me, and this is Christian. And we have some fairy dust in the sign written here, some in the piano. But yeah, this picture is lots of color blocking. I love those pictures. I love working with them. So it's not bad. It's too long. It's very nice. It's so long because, yeah, it's cool. Very, very cool picture. And since it's so much color blocking, I would love to do this picture. We also got this pamphlet from Thank You for Purchasing, and step-by-step instructions, and 20% off code if you use the app, yeah, and so on and so on. So we have like 2 pages of colors, and look at the bright color on the picture, very nice. So yeah, I really love this. So much color blocking on the background, but it's gonna be very nice. It's very nice to work with the background on those pictures. So the new sign I haven't seen before is this one, and the other one is the clover one, and the second one was like a spare. So those have I not worked with before, so that's very nice. Probably more, but yeah, those are what I can find right now. And one thing, no, there are, well, I didn't see it because it was so long down, so I think, oh, black is gonna be no color because the black is always on top, but we have plenty of AB and other colors, so it's number 14, the black one. So it did take a while to get down to the black, so not plenty of the black then, because this one's C, I don't know which color it is. It's like dark blue. So yeah, so now you can see the okay, nothing. I thought it was a cut line here, but no. So not too much of the black one, a little bit around here and up here, so it's gonna be spread all over the painting, so that's very nice. But yeah, I really love these parts. They are so super cute, and this one is so super long, and yeah, I can't wait to get working on this one. This is a lovely rendering by Richard Lorenz, so yeah, this is gonna be fun. Much color blocking since it's 71 colors, and yeah, I really love this picture. So that's all for this picture. Plenty of colors, and yeah, can't wait to get it started. So I don't know what I want to work with for the first picture this year. I have done completed the other one just yesterday from last year, so yeah, I don't know which one is going to be my first star kit this year. I want to start, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. But yeah, I hope I see you in my next video, and that's all for me. If you have any question, please leave them down in the description box, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.